Welcome to your personal experience of the 2013 Kia Sportage. The stylish Sportage has a modern look that definitely makes it stand out from the crowd. Like all Kias, the Sportage has an affordable bottom line, yet it doesn't look cheap, thanks in part to piano black trim on the grille, body-colored door handles, and turn signals in the mirrors. The angled front end and short rear overhang give the Sportage a dynamic performance look. The available 18-inch wheels feature black accents that look like they're laser cut. The Sportage looks terrific on the inside too. The shape of the dash carries the exterior styling inside to bring the entire design together. You'll notice that the interior looks more like a sports car than a utility vehicle, but can carry over 50 cubic feet of cargo. Available equipment includes Dynamax all-wheel drive, an upgraded sound system with a subwoofer, soft leather upholstery, dual-zone climate control, a backup camera, and even a heated and cooled glove box. The Sportage is also available with the Yuvo powered by Microsoft infotainment system. Yuvo uses Bluetooth to link smartphones and music apps with voice-activated commands. The Clean Text treatment, standard on Sportages with cloth seats, keeps the interior looking new even after years of use. Under the hood, there's a choice of naturally aspirated or turbocharged four-cylinder engines. The 176 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder is standard. The more powerful turbocharged 2.0-liter is smaller, but it packs a bigger punch. 260 horsepower to be exact. The standard Sportage is entertaining. The optional turbocharged version positively screams. A choice of 6-speed manual or automatic transmissions is offered. The Sportage is stylish, roomy, and lots of fun. To find out which Sportage is right for you, talk to your Kia sales professional.